Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. We are in Atlantic City, New Jersey. I'm here with my mama. This is going to be the last video installment of our 8-day trip, and man, did we have fun. We played in casinos, went to many great restaurants. We even went to go see Hook. I created this video series for our personal memories and to help others decide whether taking their folks or their grandparents or even yourself if you're a little mobility challenged. Would this be something that you're willing to do? She was a little like, I don't know if I want to go for 8 days, but look at us. We're on the Wheel of Steel Pier. We had 2 very fun nights at the Hard Rock, and now we're staying at the Tropicana. We have a room in the North Tower. This video isn't going to be anything groundbreaking here. I'm just going to show you some places that we dined. We're going to go for a walk on the boardwalk, and I'm going to chat with you about what it was like for us getting a scooter in Atlantic City. It is the morning, and we are heading to breakfast.
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. She wanted to get her picture taken with the horse. We are going up to the Chelsea Tower. We're going to be having breakfast at Gilchrist. The Chelsea Tower is connected by an indoor pedestrian walkway. This is very interesting. This is for you, Rich Miller, and anybody else that is interested in the former Days Inn. It is going to become a boutique Marriott, and it is going to be opening in 2025. I cannot wait to see this. The hotel is going to feature 105 rooms with balconies. It will be the only hotel that is directly on the boardwalk that does not have a casino. But the Tropicana is very close, as well as the beach. This is a look from outside of it. From the looks of it, it looks like it's going to be called the Sea House Hotel. They are not currently accepting reservations as of yet, and there is a new storefront in front of it. Here's a look at the Chelsea Tower, which is part of Tropicana. It's just a separate building. Getting the scooter for my mother made something like this coming to the Chelsea Tower possible for my mother. It's a far walk, but she really liked the Gilchrist that was over in Gardner's Basin, and she really wanted to try this one. The Chelsea Tower appears to be more of a boutique hotel. It does not feel like you're staying in a casino, and you really aren't, but you can get there through the bridge. These are some of the cheaper rooms that they offer when you book a room from Tropicana. You can find Gilchrist on the lobby lower level of the Chelsea Tower. It's sort of down this long hallway. It feels like a little hidden gem. There are 4 Gilchrist locations in and around Atlantic City. The menu is breakfast, lunch, and daily specials. All locations are open from 6:30 to 2 o'clock. The menu looks the same as the menu we saw when we were visiting the Gilchrist in Gardner's Basin. If you're not staying at the Tropicana, you could still visit. You could park on Chelsea Avenue. They have metered spots. There is an entrance coming in from the street. What you getting, Mama?
I think I'm going to get the same thing.
Yeah.
The hungry man's breakfast. I hate that they call it that.
The hungry man.
Yeah, it's 2 eggs, two hot cakes, choice of meat, home fries, or grits. And I'm going to get the grits again. I like the grits.
Good.
For
Wonderful.
$14.95.
That's a good deal.
Yes.
Maybe they should rename it Mama's Favorite or Mama's Special. I ordered the same thing that I did in Gardner's Basin too. I honestly just wanted to see if it tasted the same. Mama's Special came with 2 eggs, meat, grits, and a pancake. I ordered the Spanish omelet that came with potatoes and toast. It tasted a little bit different, I gotta say, but it looked the same. Biggest difference is the atmosphere, completely different atmospheres. Now I'm going to take you guys for a walk through the pedestrian walkway just because I've gotten a lot of requests for this because people want to see how long the walk is. So this is us walking. My mom has a scooter, so it's totally cool. I could walk for miles and miles and miles, so this isn't a big deal, but it is a big deal for people. So if you do want to get a room in the Chelsea Tower, pay attention to this because this will be your walk every time you want to go to the casino. Not for everyone, but if you happen to need a scooter for yourself or a loved one, my mother used Mobility on Wheels. Here is the website. There is also an app. They will deliver it right to the hotel of your choice. They also can deliver it to residences. You pay per day, per 24 hours. At least that's what my mom did. She paid for 2 days and had it for 48 hours. She did it at Tropicana, and she also did this at Hard Rock. So she spent way over, probably maybe close to $250 for a scooter, but it gave her such a great opportunity to see Atlantic City the way she needed to see it. The way I see it too, if we couldn't go for walks, she probably would have been sitting in front of the slot machine the entire time. Probably spending more money than that. Let's be real, it's true. Which most likely means that I would be spending more money on the slot machine too. So for us, the scooter was fantastic. The casinos themselves do not supply scooters. We have to figure out what to do next.
My mama wanted me to take a picture of that.
It's stunning. Yeah.
It is. It's really pretty, right? Tropicana has its, its flair. Okay.
Mama was having a hard time getting her scooter to charge, so we went down to the lobby to see if we could get anyone to help us. The bellman was very helpful. The people at the desk, Tropicana could really work on that. It's definitely not the Hard Rock front desk team, let's put it that way. Bet you're wondering where I'm going, huh? My mom wants to go gamble. I don't. So if she has a scooter, I could be free. I'm like, I'll see you later. I'm going to go back to Flagship for a little while and work on my videos. We are currently on Atlantic Avenue. Atlantic Avenue and Pacific Avenue run parallel to the Boardwalk. This is where you're going to access most of the casino entrances. We thought about getting a wheelchair, but this is the benefit. I don't have to push her. She could go wherever she wants. Wheelchairs would have been cheaper, though, by about $20 a day. I wouldn't have minded pushing her at all, but she wanted to have her own independence. That is Flagship over there, the other hotel that we are staying at. I'm back at Tropicana now. It is about 4 in the afternoon. It's check-in time. It's a Friday night. The atmosphere is getting bustling. People are coming in for the weekend. I met up with my mother. I'm like, hey, let's go out for a happy hour. We could have dined there, but she has a scooter. We could go anywhere we want. So we're going to go out to the Boardwalk. Oh man, but there's Casa Taco. This is one of my favorite places. I know I keep saying this in all my videos, but I love it here. Here's a look at a sample of their meals that they serve during, I think this is like lunch and dinner. They have new lighting in there, which looks really pretty. This is a look at their breakfast too. They have the best breakfast. My mother's like, you really want to go there for breakfast? Isn't it Mexican food? I'm like, oh my God, they have the best breakfast. Unfortunately, we didn't make it here on this trip, but I have several videos featuring their breakfast. They're really, really, really good. But we have all this opportunity now to eat anywhere that we want on the Boardwalk because she has the scooter. The beer garden was definitely an option, but we did not eat here then, but we ate here the next day. It was a beautiful day in the beginning of May. We grabbed a table. They have a covered bar, high tops, and picnic tables. It's a lively place that specializes in beer, and the food was really good too. We split a burger and a grilled cheese. I was a little cranky that day because it was our last day and I was going to have to drive home. It was about a 5-hour trip that day. It's usually 3.5 hours for us without traffic. Now we're back to our last full day. I'm sorry, I hope that wasn't too confusing. Ooh, pizza. This place is new. I want to take my mom here. We're going to take a little walk first and see if she wants to go anywhere else. This is her trip after all. I've been pretty much letting her guide me into what she wanted to do to make this really special for her. I always miss this place when I'm not there. I'm currently at my house in Connecticut editing this video, but it's springtime and I have a large garden that needs me. Plus, I like to check in with my husband and my kids and make sure everybody is okay. But I will be back in Atlantic City end of May. I'll be there in June and July. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be there as well. I had the pleasure of meeting some of you in person and even featured some of you guys in my videos, and I hope to do more of that this coming summer. A goal of mine this summer is to either plan or meet up or run into Jeff from the New York channel, because that would be really cool. I know a lot of you guys watch his channel as well as mine, and I would really just love to talk to him and, get to know him a little bit better in person. Maybe we could arrange like a meet and greet for you guys to meet us in person. That would be so much fun. I need to contact him. I found him on Facebook, so now I can private message him. I could stalk him and find out where he's going to be. Seriously, wouldn't that be fun? We walked to Caesars, me and Mama, and then we turned around and we're walking back to Tropicana. I still need to do this too. I've never seen the world's largest pipe organ. I'm going to take Mama to Forno Pizza, because they have everything you could possibly imagine to eat here. I know she's going to find something here that she likes. My friend Jeff that I was just speaking of just made a whole video about this. I haven't seen the video yet. I believe he put it on his other channel though, called Jersey Jeff Eats. There are many different types of pizzas that you could choose from, and you could order them by the piece or you could get a whole one. They also have homemade gelato, which is fabulous. And desserts. Oh my gosh, cake pops, all kinds of good stuff. You can find this right by the Tropicana on the Boardwalk. Have I made you hungry yet? There's so much good food around in Atlantic City, especially by Tropicana and in Tropicana. My mother noticed they were having a special. You get a big piece of pizza and a soup for $10, so we both went for that. The pizzas that we received were in the display case and they heated them up, but they were very fresh. My mom just got a regular cheese pizza and I had the vegetable one, which was more of a white sauce. There wasn't regular sauce on it. It had like ricotta cheese. It was delicious.
This is a pepper soup. Wedding people?
Yes,
Nice.
it's wedding soup.
This is quite a feast we're having here. Delicious. We love it here so far. Yeah, there's no cabbage or pepper. It's pepper in it.
And for the star of the show, don't forget the gelato. Got some gelato. This is salted caramel vanilla. Happy girl. We took it back to our room and watched some TV. I was able to hook up the Roku. That way you could get your apps like YouTube, Netflix. It was our last night, so we just had a chill night. We're done gambling, at least for now. The next morning, my mom got up and she wanted to go back to the casino. I was like, oh no, here we go again. But it was a fun time. It was a really fun vacation. I mean, 8 days with my mom, precious. Was it easy? Not always. Was it worth it? Absolutely. I would do it again in a heartbeat. If you're watching this, Mama, thank you so much for coming with me. I love you so much. And I really appreciate all of you guys that have been watching my tours with my mom and cheering her on and leaving nice positive comments. This has been a thrill for her, not only the trip, but, being recognized out. She's really enjoying this. So thank you so much for your positive feedback. Really means the world to me from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. But enough about us. How are you guys doing? Do you guys have a trip planned to Atlantic City? Do you know where you're going to stay? Do you want to share it with me in the comments? I would love to hear about it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I always love hearing from you. I read all the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Sadly, it is time for us to leave Tropicana and Atlantic City. Boo. I'll miss it here. I always do. But I'll be heading back soon and hopefully bringing my mom back again very soon as well. If you want to see more about Atlantic City and videos I previously made, check out my playlist here at the end of this video. Whatever you do, make sure you book that trip. If you want to go to Atlantic City, do it. Book that trip. Pack your bags and go. Driving is very difficult for me sometimes, but I fight through it and I make it happen because these memories are everything. So make sure you get out and you enjoy your life because every day is a gift. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. I will see you in Atlantic City.